Welcome to Arlington Veterans Park here in Lake Mills, Iowa. My name is Leon Christensen. I came up with the idea of building this park in 2003. We worked for it for about a year, get everything put together, and in 2004 in July we dedicated it with all the flags and the walls up.
Yeah, my name is Bill Clark. I'm a veteran, and just for the record, Leon is not a veteran. And I guess that's one of the reasons we appreciate him so much, that a non-veteran would come forth and spearhead this park. Him and I are partners in this. He does most of the work, but I pick up the details afterwards, and we have lots of volunteers too that help. So this has really been a community place. And
it's kind of interesting because the veterans that come up here feel that the flags on the perimeter are a wall. Once they're inside these walls, they can't hear the traffic, they don't hear anything. They just come up here and focus and pay tribute to themselves, their classmates, their family, and all those that have fought to defend our nation.
As you enter our park, maybe it's your hometown, maybe you're just visiting, but we want you to feel welcome here. Lake Mills is a great community. It supports our veterans. And as you see, as you go through the park, you're going to notice how much people care about this park.
This park is a place for people to come and visit, to pay tribute to those that have passed away from our school district, to learn that the price of freedom did not come free. It came at a very high cost. Men and women laid down their lives to defend our country and the freedom that we have today.
We hope that when you come here to visit our park, that you feel what we feel when you come here and pay tribute to all these great men and women that served our country.
I want to thank you for taking the time today to come in to the Lake Mills Veterans Park to pay tribute, to reminisce about the lives of the servicemen and women and all they've done to defend our democracy and our freedoms today. And remember that honoring a veteran or saying thank you to a veteran never goes out of style. We need to thank them every opportunity we get. Thank you.